How does super amazing coffee work? Learn about the benefits. It's not just a regular cup of coffee, it's a super amazing cup of coffee. Each cup is blended with 12 plant-based superfoods that help you boost brain power, burn calories, improve skin health, curb cravings, and more. Let's break down the benefits of these superfoods. Boost brain power. Maca root, cordyceps, and shiitake are adaptogenic superfoods that boost brain function, memory, and enhance focus. Say goodbye to brain fog. Improve skin health. Turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and green tea help with anti-aging and promote skin health. Burn calories and curb cravings. Matcha, ginseng, cocoa, and green coffee bean help control appetite, boost metabolism, and slow fat absorption. Anxiety-free energy. Super amazing coffee gives you a calm, anxiety-free boost of energy. That's because it contains L-theanine from green tea and matcha. This gives you steady energy without jitters or a crash later. If you are looking for a healthy way to clear brain fog, improve skin health, get energy without anxiety, and/or lose excess weight, Super Amazing Coffee is for you. You get all these benefits in each serving of the instant coffee and in every single Super Amazing Coffee pod. You can learn more about all 12 superfoods and their benefits in the video linked here. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informational content and real customer reviews.